All right, so things are about to get interesting. We're gonna try to attempt. We're taking a shortcut, thinking that it will be a shortcut. A shortcut implying that it'll be easier to get there. Perhaps not easier, but faster, right? So, I'm good. I'm good. Good. I mean, according to the maps, from Morro Rock to the tunnel log, this is a shortcut. But, you know.
Hey dog, into the trail?
Hey.
Really, right?
Yep. Look at him with his stick. That stick really helping, Doug? So soft beneath my feet. All these organisms. All these organisms breaking down the soil beneath my feet. This soil is rich in nutrients. Whoa. Hell no. I don't drink milk like that, dog. Well, not really. You get help. Look at the search team out here, rescue team. Isn't the body amazing? The ability for the ankles to articulate to allow you to walk damn near sideways. Holy shit. Oh, there's a rock. Whoa. We're gonna take a shortcut, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Nature steps, bro. You just gotta look for nature steps. Nature provides steps. Holy shit. We are taking the, what do you call that path? What do you call a path that's not?
Path less traveled.
We're taking the path less traveled, traversed, and it seems to be working, I think. Check it out, boys. We out here, man. Yeah, man. Oh, I just stepped on something. There's some wild berries. I love some wild berries, man. Oh yeah, man. There's no berries right now. I'm almost certain these are berries. Yeah, look. Your boy knows. The nose knows. Woo! Whoa, whoa! I almost ate shit right there. Are you sure? Holy shit. Oh my god. On the maps it did look like a shortcut. Alright, if I was with a chick, I'd fuck her right here. Right there. Perfect spot. Look at this, boys. Look at that, boyos. Now that's a tree. Whoa! False alarm. A lot of these trees are rotted out. So when you step on them, your foot just goes right through. This is how people get lost too, Edward. The dirt does feel good though. Hey, that looks like fun. I want to try it. Look at the way that grows. I think that's because of the wind. It's forcing the tree. It's twisting. Look, it's got this twisting action. All right, boys, we're back. Again, we are forging a trail. Oh shit, look at that. Just falls apart. Typical of termites. Whoa, look at that. Whoa! We should know. Hold on. Where are you going? Just go through there. Oh, there's thorns. Never mind. Damn, there's literally thorns right there, bro. I gotta go that way, and there's thorns. Okay, alright. Alrighty. Oh, look at this. This is great. This is what I'm talking about. This is... Okay, terrific. Thorns, bro. Oh, shit. Whoa. Dude, this is too gnarly. Hold on. Oh, shit. Fuck this. Just gonna hold on to this tree. Alright, boys. Try to take y'all up here without dying. He wants to go that way. Whoa. I think this is a better route. Who knows? At this point. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the size of this thing. Oh shit. Ah! Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Feel the burn, ladies and gentlemen. Shit. This doesn't do it justice, boys and girls. We just climbed up all that. Oh, shit. I hope this works, because I just hope it does. Look, I'm walking sideways. I should be walking upwards. Oh, look, some droppings. Edward, droppings. Let's see if they are fresh. I'm gonna try to squeeze one. They're a little hard. We have the wildlife up here. Either a big ass rabbit or a deer.
Halfway there.
Halfway. Get out here, boys.
I think the road would have been faster.
Easier. Open your jacket up so you don't overheat.
Maybe this is social trail.
Some sort of trail. I don't know if that was a shortcut, boys, but we found a trail again. That was pretty intense. That was pretty intense. Out here. Oh, almost ate shit. Trying to get a little hungry. Oh my god. Oh my god. this is an excellent trail. Yep. It's a good thing I'm wearing jeans. Brand new jeans. All these bushes with thorns on them. Big old thorns. Look at that. Hey, you know they got bears up here, right? Hungry bears. We are off the beaten trail, dude. We're literally walking around nowhere. Whoa, look at that. Look at that tree. Amazing. Amazing. It's crazy because there's not much foliage to them. They just grow. It's more trunk than anything. Actually, quite amazing how they're able to gather so much energy from the sun, harvest so much energy from the sun with such little foliage. It's pretty incredible. Let's see. Ah, the sun sucks. It doesn't suck, but it's ruining my shot. Alright boys, we made it. We have arrived to Tunnel Log. El Log del Tunel. It turns out, I think our shortcut worked. Did our shortcut work?
I think so. Better work.
We have to go on the Google Maps and verify it. It was that Soldier Trail, right?
Yeah.
The
We didn't even take that fucking trail.
The Archie blows.
Civilian Conservation Corps. Enacted under Theodore Franklin Delano Roosevelt in order to battle the Great Depression.
You guys feel free to pause it.